my people, Chef Delly back again in the kitchen. I'm baking my Christmas cake, my people. And this is my first batch I'm making. I have 2 more batches to make. So I got this here. This big pot here. This is my cereal. Setting ready to go. And over here, that's pot in the back over here. That's my mixed fruits. Here is my flour. I'm gonna season now for to start mix my cake. Over here, I have to use a small mixer. That's why I have to make more than 1 different batch, because my big mixer will do everything, but it just not working. I have no idea what's going on. Brand new, just 2 seasons, only use 1 time. Second time, put it in storage, just not working. So I just have to go for the hand one. So I have to make in different batches. So, my sugar, my butter, my egg, my vanilla. I put like a brown in it because I don't like my cake too black. It gets a little color. So all my wine, half of my wine mixer in here, the rest over there. I'm not going to mix the fruits in it. I want to put the fruit on top, because if I mix the fruit, it will stick in the bottom. That's the reason. I'm just giving you a little tip. So when I put all the mixture down, I want to put the fruit right on top, like the sink to the middle. I don't want them to touch the bottom. Okay, so over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of wine. Including this stone ginger wine. I didn't get the red label wine. But I get 3 different type of wine. Kelly, and I have a cup of pork and some sherry. That all should be alright. So now, this is all my wet ingredients. All the thing left wet to go. When I'm going to grate my lemon to season up this flour. I'm going to squeeze half of a lemon in it, in here. That will help cut them around this. I have lemon, some of the lemon peel that I make myself, and I buy some at the store. So I just want to explain to you and tell you as much as I'm doing. Anyway, so like I'm saying, I'm going to do my dry ingredients now. That's my baking powder. So I put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's it. 2 teaspoons is good enough. Some cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, tablespoon of cinnamon, I'm gonna go some nutmeg now. I'm gonna this is a full half here. Okay, my people, that's that. So, okay, my people, I'm going to go back over here now. Then I'm going to do my lime. My people, so half a lemon, half a lemon in the mixture, half a lime. So you would never feel that no one is in this, my people. Yep. Okay, my peeps. Keep my finger crossed. Just like I get everything. And it work for me, it will happen too. Yeah. Yes, my peeps. I'm gonna pour my first batch now. Here we are. My first treat. Let's take off. Let's drain it on top here. Just let off. So I have my oven set and 375 right now. So when I put these 3 cakes in this oven, the whole house is going to smell so. I mean, like a really big. If you guys see a serious taste this mixture of this cake, I'm wondering if I should go into the cake business, you know. You know what I mean? And the one business, because my wife drives me crazy every year. You know, all my guests and all my friends will share the bun, you know, tell me that something special. Put a little special there for you. So if you notice where how I go about it, a little bit here, a little bit here. But I didn't have lots of different secret ingredients. So that's the restaurant right now. So my first 3 bucks a cake. So I just going to put them in the oven, clean up here, chill, have a glass of wine, and set up the next batch again, and clean up, and then chill and prepare for the next one. So my people, Chef Delly's going to be host right now. When you see me come up again, when I take this out of the oven, I'm not going to go through the process to video the next batch, and just this one batch. And then when you see me come back again, get them out of the oven. And I'm finished for the night. So my people, you guys have a blessed evening, man, and just take care of yourself. I remember, my people, watching this video, subscribe to Delly'S Kitchen TV. Just press that subscribe button, and then when you press that button, you're gonna come back and you're gonna that bell. Press that bell, and then it will show us right beside it Hall, ALL. Just press that Hall. So I whenever I upload, it's gonna come straight to you. You don't miss none of my video. Share it with a friend. You never know. Share it any way you want to share it. That's all the answer. You know, if you got me to make more videos, you know, so just do that. And I really appreciate it, my people. Chef Delly's out. Chef Delly, catch you guys later. Yes, my people, Chef Delly's here again. My first batch of cake is ready. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So they're cooling right now. I'm just about to finish my break now, and then I'm gonna start the next batch. If my mixer didn't break down, I wouldn't have to just make one batch. Would make at least 7 cakes. But yeah, it's this beautiful KitchenAid mixer, you know what I mean. So I have to go manually by my hand with a hand mixer. So that bowl that I make, just done this 3. So I gotta repeat it over again, do the same thing. I just want the same consistent taste of the same 7 cake after taste the same way. No difference. I guarantee you, whatever you eat from Chef Delly, you will know same thing. No one else can cook the same thing when they cook and have the same taste. Because all my ingredients is my own. I make my own spices. Or maybe I share them one day. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But I grow a lot of herbs in my garden, and I dry them and mix them and make my own blend. You know, I can call names about all these seeds that people buy and cooking with, but it's not necessary. So I make my own, and my season just salt and pepper, salt and black pepper. Because all the rest of my ingredients, them is fresh, nice, beautiful. Because the more stuff you put in them, you'll overpower and take away the taste, and you just get the seasoned taste in your mouth. And everywhere you go eat these things, they taste the same way. So, I'm not saying it doesn't work, but for me, I'm looking for affordable, and I'm looking for health and nutrition. I don't have the documents for nutrition. And everybody I know, if I do write a paper, and I will pass. Yeah, I'm good at that. So I have that one for me. Okay, so this is it, my people. First batch of cake. So they're cooling right now. The dessert cake won't be dessert with what I don't see. I have a nice, beautiful pineapple here. I have orange and tangerine here. You know, I don't know. What's it? I get lucky. I get two nice fruit avocado. This one really good. Yeah. So I get some here. This is what my crowded, my people, everything crowded. This one here happened, so and now I'm basic. Yeah, so I just have to clean up now, put everything aside, and we're ready for the next batch. Maybe I go to bed around 12 o'clock tonight. It's the holidays, yeah. I don't even turn my Christmas tree. I'm so busy doing that. But I'm gonna turn it on, and when I start the next batch, I just want to make a next video show outside. My people, oh my God, outside is a mess. I want to